everyone, greetings to you. This is K. Chansai. I am from grade 7. Belongs to Grishma KN coaching classes. I will reading lesson reading.
Okay, very good. Continue.
In reply to the first question, some said the king must prepare a timetable and then follow it strictly.
Very good. Strictly.
Only in this way they said could he do everything at its proper time. Others said that it was impossible to decide on advance the right time for doing something. The king should notice all that was going on. Avoid foolish pleasure and always do whatever seemed necessary at that time, where others said have that the king needed a council of wise men who would help him. Thank you. Signing out.